Hey everybody, Jake Handyside here with Handyside Plumbing, Heating, Air Conditioning, and Electrical. As promised, come check out part 2 of our 2-part series for our office and warehouse tours. This is the warehouse tour. Hey everybody, welcome to the warehouse. Come on in. Alright, so this is the front part of our warehouse. If you're a technician walking in for the day, you can come over here to our right and you can actually check your truck restock bin. So all of our technicians have a truck restock bin. They come in, they check for the day, they grab their materials, and they're good to go. So in addition to our truck restock area over here, we have a jobs that are going out right now area too for staging. So if you're a technician, you need jobs for the day, you come on in, you grab your job, you're good to go. So very efficient and very convenient for our technicians. In addition to that, in the front area here, we have our fully staffed warehouse counter. So if you're a technician and you need stuff for the day, you can come on in, check in with the counter guys, hand tools back in, get stuff for the day. And we also have a TV right here that we can see all the jobs that are going on for the day, and we know what's coming in and going out from the warehouse team. So you've seen what it looks like in front of the counter. Now let's take a look at what it looks like behind the counter. So what we have here is our receiving, our staging area. So all the items coming in and going out of our warehouse kind of come in and out through this garage door here. As you can see here, this is our staging and our receiving area. So items that we haven't checked in yet, they get checked in here. And then if it's going out for a job, we stage it over here on our upcoming job shelves. And as what you can see is we actually have a really organized setup. We have upcoming plumbing jobs, upcoming electrical jobs, and upcoming heating jobs. That way it's all nice and organized. And these are jobs that are going out either as soon as tomorrow or within a week to 2 weeks away. So that's what we have going with our job staging. In addition to that, we have our behind the scenes look at the counter, and we have Brock, our warehouse manager, and Dylan, our receiving and staging expert. So as we move through our warehouse tour, this is our large job staging area. So things are a little bit too big to fit on a shelf. We actually stage in this area right here. As you can see, it's a little bit empty right now. Most of the things are out for the day, and we're waiting for the new things to come in from all of our vendors and whatnot. So in addition to our larger project staging area right here, we actually have our warranty area as well. So this is where warranty parts come in, they're being processed, and they're going back out to the vendor. In this industry, occasionally you have a part that fails, and when that happens, we have an area dedicated to that so we can streamline that process. So in addition to this large job staging area, we actually have a second location, and that's where we stage and we receive all of our larger equipment orders and just things for big projects as well. So moving on from the job staging and the warranty area, let's go ahead and take a look at our materials and our inventory. So guys, as you can see, we have a lot of material inventory staged here, and the reason we stage and have so much material on hand is that way we can keep our technicians rolling out in the field, and we can keep our customers satisfied and happy when they have emergencies that pop up. So we have everything here from HVAC air filters to other heating equipment materials to plumbing materials, electrical materials, anything we need to get our customers out of a jam when they have an emergency that pops up. So in addition to all the materials, we have a lot of tools on hand. We have dollies. We have several drop cloths to protect your home. In addition to that, we keep our sewer and drain equipment in here too. Our sewer and drain equipment is very sensitive to weather conditions, so we keep the house in our warehouse so it's out of the elements and it's at a steady controlled temperature as well. So in addition to the tools and the drain equipment that we have in our warehouse, we actually stock some larger things too. We keep toilets on hand, that way we can get our customers out of a jam, and then we actually have tankless water heaters on hand too. We keep these things up high because sometimes they're not as heavy of a mover as some of the smaller parts, but nonetheless we do these daily and weekly. So there's a quick look at the warehouse. I hope you enjoyed this tour.